To start the warm-up system, we don't really need anything, not even a list of subscribers. All we need is a message. Ideally, the message you send to your clients, and it must be varied. I'll upload my message. Let's take a look at it together, just for a moment. It's working as expected. Just go ahead and click the warm-up button when you're ready. Attention! If clicking the warm-up button takes you to a page like this, it means you have the version without warm-up, and you need to download and install the version with the warm-up module. How to do this is explained in this video. Click the warm-up button. The mailing has started. It's best to use the pauses I have specifically indicated here. The warm-up should run constantly. This is a way to boost your account's reputation. I've given an explanation of what warm-up, and account reputation boosting are in the video on this page.